If you aren't eligible for a student loan, or even if you are eligible but you are in need of additional financial support, you might be eligible for a university scholarship. So STAR campaigns for and supports universities to set up scholarships for people seeking asylum or from a refugee background to help them study at university. We don't administer any of these scholarships. They are controlled by individual universities. But what we do is have a list on the STAR website that I'll show you shortly of scholarships that we are aware of that universities offer. We've also got on other pages further support, so other nationwide scholarships, perhaps for certain subjects or other grants that you might be eligible for. Just going to click through and show you the scholarships list. This is the list that you can use to find information about scholarships. You can filter it based on your location, your level of study, and your immigration status. And then you can see which universities offer support that you might be eligible for. As I say, though, do click through to the university websites because they will have the most up-to-date information there. Elsewhere on the Access to University section of the STAR website, we've got other links that are included in the applicant pack about how to apply, about pre-university courses and other frequently asked questions, so do take a look around. We're working with two organisations, Refugee Education UK and Universities of Sanctuary, to launch a new portal to advertise these opportunities soon, hopefully in December. So if you are signed up to the STAR Equal Access mailing list, if you're not, the link is in the pack, and you'll find out about that new way of searching for opportunities soon. But just to emphasize, check the details with the individual universities because they will have the most up-to-date information. And also on our website, we have guidance for applying for scholarships and a link to a workshop all about applying for scholarships. If you want to find out more, please take a look at those. Most people apply for scholarships after they apply for university, so you can come back to us in February and March when you might be applying for a scholarship and for further mentoring sessions then. Just to recap then, as I've mentioned what the process is, you need to first choose a course at a university that offers scholarships and check the eligibility for those scholarships to make sure that you are eligible. Then what usually happens, you apply for a course, so either through UCAS for an undergraduate degree or directly to the university for a postgraduate degree. Hopefully then you are accepted onto the course, you receive offers. And it's usually after that that you apply for your scholarship. So research now, but then you'll need to apply for your course before applying for the scholarship. That's the general process. Caveat though, it is different for each programme, so check with the university. But as a general rule, you'll need to have a place at a university before applying for the scholarships that are listed on the STAR website. There are other scholarships that universities offer, so have a look around their websites and explore. We advertise the ones that are specifically for people seeking asylum or from a refugee background. They might, though, offer different scholarships for your subject area or for other reasons, so do investigate the university website.